Hello all, this is Anusha. This is the sixth video of my end-to-end cab booking analysis playlist where I would be showcasing the observed trends, insights and recommendations based on the airport trips. Please watch the previous videos for detailed analysis of the project. So here, if when I see the locations which generate the highest trip revenue, the most of the locations are from airport and the most revenue is generated from the airport, including the pickup locations as well as the drop-off locations. Hence, I want to analyze the airport trips deeply. So when I check like which locations generate the highest trips, JFK, this is the place, and LGA Airport, this is the one. LGA Airport is this one. The down and this is the JFK. The JFK and LGA Airport generate consistently high revenue throughout the day, peaking in late afternoon and evening hours, reflecting steady demand for airport trips. Queen generates high revenue airport trips because LGA is in Queens. When do airport trips take off? So when I check the airport trips with weekday and weekends, weekday there are more trips and trip volumes peak sharply in the afternoon 2 to 4 p.m. on both the weekdays and weekends, but weekdays consistently see nearly 3 times more rides during early morning hours, highlighting strong commuter and work related demand. And here when when I plotted the airport trips traffic, especially this is the previous one which we see is the overall trip traffic, but here I plotted the only airport trip traffic and even the toll data inside. And when I check LG airport is at the top, followed by JFK, Newark airports. So here we see how much toll rides are contributing in these trips. So JFK and LGA lead in total airport trips, with LGA showing the highest toll share. Here the highest toll share we can see. So recommendations is double down on toll heavy urban corridors. Offer express route promotions for users targeting fast toll inclusive routes. Example, airport runs. Partner with toll authority for real time pricing transparency, so that they can see the price in the app and they reduce it can reduce the rider hesitation to go with the toll trips. And now when I check the airport trip time and the base fare, here we see according to the trip time, they all are mostly are long trips and the base fare is increasing accordingly. And when I check with the trip volume, again the base fare is consistently growing with that. And when I check the trip miles, yes, the distance is more for all the trips because they are the airport rides. So when I check hourly the airport trip volume by days of the week, like from Monday to Sunday, and I observe on Sunday in this time, somewhere around 2 a.m. to 7 p.m. I see more trip volume, and in the same way Monday from 5 a.m. to somewhere around 6 p.m. I see more trip volume. So we'll just dig deeper into it. Then when I check on Monday, you can see if only in the early hours, but after 4 o'clock, 4 a.m. the whole day almost till 6 o'clock the trip volume is increasing on Monday. Airport trips are higher on Mondays from 4 a.m. to 6 p.m. because many travelers begin business trips at the start of the week, leading to increased early morning and daytime departures. Whereas on Sunday here, yes, you can see from 10 a.m. the trip volume is increasing more. Airport trips peak on Sundays from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. as travelers return from weekend trips or prepare for early Monday commitments, resulting in increased outbound and inbound activity. So recommendations would be optimize airport trip pricing, implement dynamic pricing or incentives for off-peak airport trips to smooth demand and increase revenue during less busy hours. Enhance traffic flow near airport. Work with city planners to improve road access and reduce bottlenecks around airports, cutting trip times and making airport rides more attractive. Use data-driven dispatching because the airport trips especially in the morning hours, the drivers the time between the trips is very more. So by using data driven dispatching, by leveraging the real time data, we can match drivers to airport trips more efficiently, reducing wait times and increasing trip throughput. So now I have ended the analysis. I've thoroughly analyzed with respect to locations, with respect to airport trips, and the weekdays, weekend service providers, congestion, and this project had more than 2 crore 5 lakh data. So it took time for me for the analysis, but overall this analysis helped me to learn a lot about the data. Thank you so much.